Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 50% off for SC-200 or SC-500 exam voucher. So this is provided by the Microsoft Defender Challenge 2026. We'll go through the step-by-step process for that. So Microsoft has launched the Microsoft Defender Skilling Challenge 2026, giving security professional and student an opportunity to strengthen their cybersecurity skills and get a chance to win one of the 500 Microsoft certification exam voucher with 50% off. In this video, you will learn Microsoft Defender Skilling Challenge 2026 and how to register and participate. Challenge deadline that is the August 2021 2026. Chance to win a 50% off for SC-200 or SC-500 certification voucher. There's the Microsoft Defender XDR, Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Defender for Cloud. SC-200 is the Security Operation Analyst certification and SC-500 is the Cloud and AI Security Engineer certification. So official Microsoft Learn resources are there. Official link is this one. If you are preparing for the Microsoft Security certification, don't miss this opportunity. Like, share and subscribe for the latest certifications, free certifications Microsoft offers, AI, cloud, cybersecurity and database tutorial. So we'll go through the official link. When we'll open the official link, this is the page and Microsoft Defender challenge is going on and define skill up and get certified. So there is a 500 coupons are there, vouchers are there. You will get a 50% off on SC-200 or SC-500. The challenge entry period is 20 of August 20 uh, July 20th and August 21 2026. So if you click this one, this is the page. Here you can just join this one. Here you can find the join this challenge, and when we click on this you will get a module like this. So continuous learning. Here you have to complete all the modules. Just I have completed this is 100%, this is 77%, 61%. This is also 100%, and these all are some percentage are there. So you have to complete all the things, all the module, and then only go to the see the challenge. Here you can find that there will be 100% completed. 15 days to go, and when you will complete this one, go to the next. So that is the how to enter. So register to complete the this one Microsoft Defender Scaling Challenge or Microsoft Learn before 21st of August 2026, and this is the submit form, entry form. So entry form is this one. Here same detail you can find there, and first complete the Microsoft Defender challenge. As I told you, you have to complete this challenge, Defender challenge, and then you have to complete the after the completing challenge, submit the form by August 21st 2026. So here you have to find the username. If you click your profile, you will find the username and validate your username and be sure the login with the same Microsoft Learn profile used to complete the challenge. Then provide your email address. Then this is optional. Are you participating on behalf of your organization, or whatever the checkboxes radio buttons are there? You have to select one of these. This is also optional. Indicate from the which region you are participating. So select one of these. And next, this is the confirm my eligibility. So you have to go with this and select this one, then submit the form. After submitting the this one winners drawn in the August 24 to 31st 2026, and the officer rules are there. You can go through the rule. So step one, review the SwiftTech term and conditions and other, and discount exams of voucher eligible for these two exams only. So all remaining are same. So anything new, then I'll let you know. So nothing is new. So you have to complete this one and you have to go through the step by step all the process. So after completing this one, you have to submit the form and you will get this. So like, share and subscribe for the latest free certification, and Microsoft offer AI, cloud, cybersecurity and database tutorial. Disclaimer is there. This video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. No copyright violation is intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.